Hi there, this is James from Social Intents, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily add Slack into your website so that you can talk to your visitors right from any Slack channel, offer live customer support, answer questions, or enable your custom AI chatbot with handoff to your team members when it makes sense. First thing you'll do to get started is to sign up for a 14-day free trial for Social Intents. Once you finish that process, you'll see you have the Social Intents dashboard with the inbox, your app settings, which are your chat widget settings, and the integrations here. So to set up the Slack integration, you click Connect or Reconnect on Slack. And what that does is it runs through an authorization process where you can pick the channel on the Slack side that you'd like to route your chats to. Once that's done, you can go and preview your chat by clicking on the apps and the preview icon here, and that'll open a test chat. To enable the chat widget on your website, it's a single line code snippet that you embed in your website. And then by default, your chat widget will look something like this. You can customize with your logo, your text, your pre-sales information. You can decide what information you'd like to capture from your visitors. You can pre-populate that information or send custom values behind the scenes. So if I start a chat here, we have our AI chatbot enabled initially. You can turn that off and route directly to your team members in Slack during office hours or all the time by default. We do have shortcuts that enable the human handoff. You can have it any text matching that you like or intent-based using our custom actions. So in this case, if I click Talk to an Agent, at that point, what we do is we invite in the Slack agent in this case. Okay, so you'll see the chat request has arrived in Slack. I did get a notification. And then I can just click into the channel that we create for that and respond to the visitor. Okay, so once I respond as an agent from the Slack side, the visitor or the AI chatbot drops out of that conversation. Okay, so at this point, I'm just chatting with a website visitor from Slack. I can add notes, I can transfer to other channels, or I can end the chat here right from Slack. Okay. From a reporting perspective, we capture the chats in the inbox here, so you can look at previous chat conversations. We do have reporting capabilities, and then we have other integrations that you can set up. For instance, you can route WhatsApp messages, Facebook Messenger messages, or text messages right over to Social Intents, as well as into your Slack channel. That's it. For more information, visit us at socialintents.com.